Looking to buy a CZ pistol? Don't let the various options on the market overwhelm you. Amongst the CZ available for purchase in 2024, there are a few that are outstanding, and we like to call them the best CZ pistols in 2024. So if you're looking to purchase a CZ pistol, or you're wondering which CZ pistols are the best, stay hooked on this video as we'll be revealing that in a moment. But before we begin to evaluate these pistols and all there is to know about them, we'd like you to do us a favor. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can further spread the word on all things guns. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post more amazing content. If you've done that, let's move on to today's video. CZ7501 Omega. Echoing the excellence of the CZ lineup, the CZ75P01 Omega stands out as a favored compact variant. Equipped with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, dual-sided manual safety controls, and the distinctive Omega trigger mechanism, this pistol shines with its contemporary and ergonomic design. Steel sights enhanced with luminescent dots ensure optimal visibility in various conditions. Weighing a manageable 0.80 kilograms, the CZ75P01 Omega offers ease of handling and precision. Designed for the 9x19 caliber, its bare length at 92.5 mil, coupled with streamlined dimensions at 135 mil in height, 38 mil in width, and 184 mil in length, positions it as an excellent compact choice. The SATA trigger system promises a smooth and responsive shooting experience, while its magazine can comfortably hold up to 15 rounds of 9x19 caliber, providing ample capacity for diverse uses. Equipped with luminescent sights, its durability and resilience are ensured with a frame constructed from aluminum alloy. Classified as a compact model, this pistol presents itself as an outstanding choice for those seeking a blend of portability and performance. Number 2. CZ-P10C. The CZ-P10C was created for the XM17 trials and has gradually gained popularity in the civilian realm. Similar to a Glock 19 with a 4-inch barrel and a 15+1 capacity, the P10C features typical striker pistol characteristics, such as ambidextrous controls, interchangeable backstrap panels, and a frame with rails for a laser light. What sets the P10C apart are details like the grip angle and CZ's ergonomics, along with the deep frame rear strap, providing a naturally high and tight grip. The trigger stands out as one of the best in striker pistols, with a crisp break and a short, audible, and tactile reset. In terms of quality, it compares favorably to the PPQ. While some may find the grip stippling aggressive, it contributes to its function as a service weapon. Often compared to the Glock 19, the CZ-P10C features a 4-inch barrel and a 15+1 mag capacity, offering similar dimensions and a valued alternative in the market. Its ergonomic design, characterized by ambidextrous controls, interchangeable backstrap panels, and a railed frame for accessories like laser lights, sets it apart in the striker pistol segment. Number 3. CZ75 SP01. Now, let me share why the CZ75 SP01 is another gem. This pistol, designed for law enforcement and military capabilities, has earned recognition and likely NATO approval. Inheriting concepts from the compact CZ75, it transitions them into a full-size platform. The SP01 boasts black rubber grips, a 10+1 or 18+1 mag capacity, and fixed night sights, all contributing to its ergonomic design. With a 4.6-inch barrel length and a weight of 40 ounces, it strikes a balance that users appreciate, especially considering its competitive price below $700. The SP01's reputation as a reliable and cost-effective option has made it a popular choice for those interested in competitive shooting. Its competitive price below $700 makes it an appealing choice for those interested in competitive shooting. With a 9mm caliber, the CZ75 SP01 inherits concepts from the compact CZ75 and integrates them into a full-size platform. Its robust design is evident in black rubber grips and a mag capacity of 10+1 or 18+1, providing users with options based on their needs and preferences. Number 2. CZ-P10. Have you ever heard of this firearm? The CZ-P10 stands out for being cherished by pistol enthusiasts who value a generous mag capacity, a comfortable grip, and an extended sight line, crucial elements in self-defense situations. Weighing an impressive 0.8 kilos, this pistol is reasonably lightweight and manageable. Its versatility is reflected in compatibility with 9x19 and 9x21 calibers, featuring a barrel length of 114 mm. Physical dimensions include a height of 150 mm, width of 32 mm, and length of 203 mm. Equipped with the SFDA trigger system, it ensures reliability and a responsive shooting experience. Noteworthy for its mag capacity, reaching up to 19 rounds for the 9x19 caliber, luminous sights, and robust polymer-reinforced fiberglass frame. Classified as full-size, the CZ-P10F presents itself as a formidable choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. One of the strengths of the CZ-P10F is its generous mag capacity, allowing it to accommodate up to 19 rounds in the 9x19 caliber. This feature is essential in self-defense situations, providing users with the confidence of having a significant amount of ammunition at their disposal. Additionally, its versatility and compatibility with 9x19 and 9x21 calibers adds flexibility in the choice of ammunition. Let me tell you why the CZ-P10 is an incredible choice. First, its mag capacity is impressive, especially in the CZ-P10F, with up to 19 rounds. Additionally, the grip is super comfortable thanks to details like the grip angle and deep frame backstrap, making it easy to handle and improving accuracy in shooting. Number 1. CZ-P07. Let's kick off with the first position in this brief top 5. This gun, originating from the renowned CZ house, stands out for its entirely steel structure, offering a combination of pistols with diverse features. Weighing a light 27 ounces, with a slim profile of 1.46 inches wide and a compact design of 7.2 inches in length, this pistol positions itself as the ideal choice for daily carry. Equipped with an Omega trigger system and ambidextrous controls, the CZ-P07 provides mag options of 15 rounds and a compatible version with 10 rounds. Additionally, it comes in a variety of finishes, from the sleek urban gray to the vibrant green, including a variant with a threaded barrel for a suppressor. The inclusion of the Omega trigger system and ambidextrous control adds convenience in operation, enabling smooth and accessible handling for both right-handed and left-handed users. Furthermore, the generous mag capacity with options of 15 or 10 rounds provides users with flexibility according to state regulations or personal preferences. The emphasis on ergonomics, with interchangeable backstraps and detailed stippled grips, offers a comfortable and customizable grip experience. This attention to detail not only enhances comfort during handling, but also contributes to increased precision while shooting. The versatility of this weapon is evident in the range of available finishes, from the elegant urban gray to the vibrant green, allowing users to choose a pistol that suits their individual stylistic preferences. Moreover, the option of a threaded barrel variant provides additional customization possibilities, especially for those interested in adding a suppressor. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Let us know in the comment section which CZ pistol you find interesting and what you like most about it. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done that. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that with our upcoming videos, you'll be in the loop of things. Thanks for watching.